Here's a training checklist for delivering a mower with Greenzie Powered Autonomy. Step 1 is manual usage. Have first-time operators get comfortable with the hand controls. Show them how it can be sensitive with the drive-by-wire controls. Show them how to turn on the blades. Show them how to crank the mower with key on, pausing while it's in accessory mode, and then finally cranking. Have them do that several times to get comfortable with key on, key off, blades, deck, brake, etc. Step 2, it's time to map and mow a small, simple job. Turn on the remote, wear it like this, and demonstrate by pressing the map button and mowing a small square map. Turn the blades on while you're doing it so that you can turn them off, switch to autonomous mode, step off the mower, and press the mow button. Just show them that and show them how simple it is. Don't show the app yet. Now have them do the exact same thing. Hand them the remote and have them do the exact same thing you did from another map and then all the way to mow. They should feel very comfortable doing that, and now it's time to show them even more. Step 3, let's load a job and start from scratch. Now's a good time to have them scan the QR code to get the app for loading a job. We like to pretend that it's just off the trailer, so we'll go from start to finish. We'll turn the mower completely off, shut down completely, and have them load the same job they just did, put the mower inside the map, and hit go. Show them how to rename jobs. There should be 2 on there, and how to customize. Next up is how to add keep out zones, how to change the speed, change stripe angle, change the obstacle detection modes, and finally, if you have time and feeling comfortable, show them how to resume the last job. Step 5 is troubleshooting alerts. If possible, you should cause an alert that prevents mowing, such as creating a map and putting the mower out of bounds, pressing the e-stop or standing near the mower, and not allowing it to start. Have the user walk through and clear all of the alerts so that they can then engage mowing. This will help them when there are alerts on the job. Last, step 6 is making good jobs or maps. Make a big job, one that they could actually use. Show them how to add actual keep out zones around actual obstacles. Show them how to do it along the boundary and cut out obstacles along the boundary. And finally, show them the real goal, which is pipelining, right? So grab another mower, have this one mowing while you do other work. Grab a trimmer, grab an edger. Show them how easy it is to do other things while the mower is mowing, and how to keep a side eye on the mower and never to stand there with the mower just sort of watching it. The whole goal is pipelining, remember? If you do these things in this order, getting them comfortable with the map mow, showing them how to customize, and then finally showing best practices, you will have a successful training. And the last thing we like to do, if you're feeling comfortable, is to have them call support and call in with an error. One thing I like to do is maybe trigger an e-stop or a remote stop, and then call into support and ask why the mower is stopped and why it won't go. This gets them comfortable with being able to call whenever there's an issue. If you do these things, you're going to have a great training.